To use PageFly landing page builder on Shopify, follow these steps. Install PageFly. Go to the Shopify App Store, search for PageFly landing page builder, and click Add App. Install the app and grant the necessary permissions. Create a new page. After installation, go to your Shopify admin, click Apps and open PageFly. In the PageFly dashboard, click Create New Page and choose the type of page you want to create. Choose a template. PageFly offers pre-designed templates, which you can choose to save time or start from scratch with a blank page. Drag and drop elements. Use the drag and drop editor to add and customize elements like images, buttons, text, forms, and videos. PageFly offers a wide range of content blocks and widgets to enhance your page. Customize design. Adjust the design, layout, and styling to fit your brand. You can change colors, fonts, margins, and spacing, or use custom CSS for advanced customization. Preview and publish. Once you're satisfied with your landing page, click Preview to check how it looks on desktop and mobile. If everything looks good, click Publish to make the page live on your Shopify store.